Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are looking at simplifying using index law. Now the first thing I want us to pay attention to is this dot just means times. So I can change this dot as well to times. Next thing I'm going to be thinking about is that this line here just means divide. So I can change that to another divide sign. Now, before we can do anything, we need to get rid of these brackets and really be able to understand this in a simple form. So to start off, I'm going to be thinking about that when I've got a bracket and then to the power of something, that power applies to everything inside that bracket. So that just means I'm just going to write this first one down. H to the power of negative 2, because it's the power of 1. 1 times negative 2 is just negative 2. So h to the power of negative 2, j to the power of negative 2. And then I'm dividing. I've got h to the power of 3 and j to the power of 3. Because remember, these are just powers of 1. So 1 times 3 is 3. So I've got h to the power of 3 and j to the power of 3 times hj. Now I've just put them next to each other just to make it easier for us to be able to see. So let's see how many h's we have on top. I've got 7 lots of h and I've got minus 2. So that just means 7 and I've got minus 2. So that ends up being 5. 7 plus minus 2 equals 5h. I've got sorry, I stuffed up there because I've got 1h and I've got minus 2, that means minus 1. And then I've got 7 lots of j and I've got minus 2j, which means I've got 5j because of 7 plus minus 2 equals 5. And then I'm dividing that. I've got 3 lots of h and I've got 1 lots of h, that means I've got h to the power of 4. 4 lots of h's that are being multiplied, and I've got 3 lots of j's here plus another one equals 4. So h4 to the power of 4 times j to the power of 4. Now the next thing I know is that when I'm dividing a variable that are exponents, I have negative 1 up the top and I have 4 down the bottom. So the way I do it, I go this, take away this, and that's how many I have. So I go h negative 1 minus 4, j got 5, and I'm minusing 4, that's what I've got here. And that just equals negative 1 minus 4 equals h to the power of negative 5, and j, 5 take 4 equals 1, so h to the power of negative 5, j, or I can write that as j over h to the power of 5. Really hope that helps you understand how to simplify with using index law and really being able to break it down and apply all the rules. If you need any extra help, message me and I'll get back to you.